Wow, it's incredible. It's incredible to see that. That's the housing ones, and they look like they're all blocked in, so you can't drive by there. There is still parts that they still use of this, so watch what I'm doing. I was going to meet a fellow YouTuber down in Southern California, and he sent me these coordinates where to meet him at, and I said, that's fine. I didn't know where it was going to be. Turns out it was in the middle of an abandoned Air Force base, George Air Force Base, and met him on the park there. You just drive right through the gates and go through. There is activity on the base though, so you do have to watch out, because I think there is some kind of security and stuff, but I think there's a couple of buildings still on the base that are still being used actively, so there is traffic out there, and there is some sort of security. I don't know if it's military police or not, but yeah, pretty good stuff. Thanks Jeff, for sending me out there, man. I wish I had more time, but it's getting dark and I got to get up to a hotel. But it was definitely a pleasure to meet you and the wife, and get to chat with you for a while there. And wow, I wish we'd have met earlier in the day or in the morning, so I would have had time to go through this whole base before I got kicked off, and and make a good video of it, you know, because it's totally amazing. There's another gate right there as we drove by. Yeah, I would definitely like to get back on the base and check everything out. Maybe next trip, man. In the meantime, you all go check it out yourself if you live down there. It's pretty neat, I guarantee it.